Cardinal, of prime or special importance. Caret, an arrow-like symbol placed below a line indicating where omitted words, etc. should be inserted. Caricature, a picture or description in which natural characteristics are exaggerated or distorted. Carnage, massacre. Carnal, sensual. Carnivorous, eating or living on flesh. Carouse, to drink deeply and in boisterous or jovial manner. Carrion, dead and putrefying flesh. Cartilage, an elastic animal tissue of firm consistence. Cartridge, a charge for a firearm or for blasting. Caste, the division of a society on artificial grounds. Castigate, to punish. Casual, accidental, by chance. Casualty, a fatal or serious accident or disaster. Cataclysm, any overwhelming flood of water. Cataract, opacity of the lens of the eye, resulting in complete or partial blindness. Catastrophe, any great and sudden misfortune or calamity. Cathode, the negative pole or electrode of a galvanic battery. Catholicism, the system, doctrine, and practice of the Roman Catholic Church. Catholicity, universal prevalence or acceptance. Cat o' nine tails, an instrument consisting of 9 pieces of cord, formerly used for flogging in the Army and Navy. Caucus, a private meeting of members of a political party to select candidates. Causal, indicating or expressing a cause. Caustic, sarcastic and severe. Cauterize, to burn or sear as with a heated iron. Cede, to pass title to. Censor, an official examiner of manuscripts empowered to prohibit their publication. Censorious, judging severely or harshly. Census, an official numbering of the people of a country or district. Centenary, pertaining to 100 years or a period of 100 years. Centiliter, 1/100th of a liter. Centimeter, a length of 1/100th of a meter. Centurion, a captain of a company of 100 infantry in the ancient Roman army. Cereal, pertaining to edible grain or farinaceous seeds. Ceremonial, characterized by outward form or ceremony. Ceremonious, observant of ritual. Cessation, discontinuance as of action or motion. Cession, surrender as of possessions or rights. Chagrin, keen vexation, annoyance, or mortification as at one's failures or errors. Chameleon, changeable in appearance. Chancery, a court of equity as distinguished from a common law court. Chaos, any condition of which the elements or parts are in utter disorder and confusion. Characteristic, a distinctive feature. Characterize, to describe by distinctive marks or peculiarities. Charlatan, a quack. Chasm, a yawning hollow, as in the earth's surface. Chasten, to purify by affliction. Chastise, to subject to punitive measures. Chastity, sexual or moral purity. Chateau, a castle or manor house. Chattel, any article of personal property. Check, to hold back. Chiffon, a very thin gauze used for trimmings, evening dress, etc. Chivalry, the knightly system of feudal times with its code, usages, and practices. Cholera, an acute epidemic disease. Choleric, easily provoked to anger. Choral, pertaining to, intended for, or performed by a chorus or choir. Christ, a title of Jesus. Christen, to name in baptism. Christendom, that part of the world where Christianity is generally professed. Chromatic, belonging, relating to, or abounding in color. Chronology, the science that treats of computation of time or of investigation and arrangement of events. Chronometer, a portable timekeeper of the highest attainable precision. Circulate, to disseminate. Circumference, the boundary line of a circle. Circumlocution, indirect or roundabout expression. Circumnavigate, to sail quite around. Circumscribe, to confine within bounds. Circumspect, showing watchfulness, caution, or careful consideration. Citadel, any strong fortress. Cite, to refer to specifically. Claimant, one who makes a claim or demand, as of right. Clairvoyance, intuitive sagacity or perception. Clamorous, urgent in complaint or demand. Clan, a tribe. Clandestine, surreptitious. Clangor, clanking or a ringing as of arms, chains, or bells, clamor. Clarify, to render intelligible. Clarion, a small shrill trumpet or bugle. Classify, to arrange in a class or classes on the basis of observed resemblances and differences. Clearance, a certificate from the proper authorities that a vessel has complied with the law and may sail. Clemency, mercy. Clement, compassionate. Close-hauled, having the sail set for sailing as close to the wind as possible. Clothier, one who makes or sells cloth or clothing. Clumsy, awkward of movement. Coagulate, to change into a clot or a jelly, as by heat, by chemical action, or by a ferment. Coagulant, producing coagulation. Coalescence, the act or process of coming together so as to form one body, combination, or product. Coalition, combination in a body or mass. Coddle, to treat as a baby or an invalid. Codicil, a supplement adding to, revoking, or explaining in the body of a will. Coerce, to force. Coercion, forcible constraint or restraint, moral or physical. Coercive, serving or tending to force. Cogent, appealing strongly to the reason or conscience. Cognate, akin. Cognizant, taking notice. Cohere, to stick together. Cohesion, consistency.